While we are on our Eastern Highway ride, we spotted this beautiful place. So we said, let's pull over and come and show you also this wonderful little river. There's lots of water. Well, I can see that people can go down. There are steps over here. People take bath, they wash their clothes.
Really?
See the soap is there, no?
Yeah.
Cloth washing soap is there. Lots of free water. And that is the white bridge, what you can see. On that bridge we were driving. And this is probably an old bridge which nowadays people are not using. Lots of greenery and ferns have grown up over there. Maybe we can just walk a little distance over here. There are people's houses over here. Look at that cute little black hen with a tinge of sea green feather on that.
Hard to shoot that.
Why? Yeah, because he's fully black. Huh? And since it's quite cloudy, so very less sunlight is there. Nevertheless, we walk. Oh, with these things, how nice it is. Lovely. Beautiful. The fun to see a river is when it has lots of water. Isn't it? When it is shallow, then it is boring. Oh, cool. Uh-huh.
People can go and
There's a ramp over there. We'll walk a bit more that side. There's a ramp which is going down. It's kind of a mini dam or what? Look at those two things, no?
look at the that where the mountain.
The top over there?
Yeah, it reminds me of northeast.
Yeah. Step gardening.
Step gardening.
Yeah. It's indeed a great view. What do you call that? What do you call that? That's what I said. It's just looking like a miniature dam only.
Do that, shutter.
Yeah, shutter system of opening and closing. Oh, cool. Yeah. There's a step over there to go on top of that. From where this much of water is coming, da? This is a pump house, water pump house. Is it working or not? Oh, cool. All system is there. See? You can go on the... I'm not scared. Okay. Oh, yo, look at this. All water going in there. It's like a mini whirlwind, yeah. Look at this. Look at this. Miniature form, but it's a pakka whirlwind. Oh, first time I'm coming here, I'm feeling so good. Lovely. All the leaves. Look at this. All the leaves are going inside. Look at this. Look at this. Awesome. Small piece of wood. There's one over there. So we were able to capture some nice glimpses of this place. We have saved it for you as well. Don't be worried. Now we're gonna walk a little bit that side alongside this canal. So come. This is a water pump here. We don't know whether it is functioning or not functioning.
I really like that mountain.
So nice, no? Very neat way of doing kind of terrace gardening. Well, if we can go up on this just to the steps, we can get very nice view.
It's a government property.
It's a government property, okay.
We are not.
Some phone number is written on that. Oh, cool. And then there's this side road also going. Look at these white flowers.
Guys, see the slope.
Steep, steep.
steep, right?
Awesome climbing. And look at these flowers just next to the road. How beautiful it is. Cute little flowers. Oh my god, look at these close ones. And one small tea shop. We don't know whether it is functioning or not. Look at that, the wheel is all broken, rusted and missing. Look at over here. Still wondering how it is still standing.
Still functioning, I think.
And maybe because of the stones it is still supported, well supported. Oh, it's so peaceful. This place is so nice. Very good. Calm, green, cool.
Small.
Look at this cute little mountain. No, not mountain, rock. Rock. So this is one Mala Para. We went to Anju Mala Para. This is only one Para over here, okay? Okay. Very beautiful. This wires, electricity wires are really running quite low. So maybe tall trucks or anything, it will definitely bang on that. Coconut tree only, no? Yeah, cool. And is this coffee plantation or jungly wild? Jungly one, okay. Yeah, because then it is all it's in between again. They have made like this kind of steps, you know, to go down and for people to take bath or wash their clothes because it's a fresh water.
Man-made canal or is it?
Seems to be
No, that's
man-made.
for the purpose of,
Yeah, for the purpose of irrigation or for the purpose of helping out people when it is summer season and the water level goes down.
Yeah.
Look at that. How beautiful. Green color covering and
I
there
think we should come in the daytime, you know.
and there are a group of people, workers over there. I can spot them over there.
Yeah.
So once again, under the bamboo tree is quite high. I can't see the yellow stems, but guys, this was so refreshing. After the whole day's work, just come out and explore the beauty, explore the nature, refresh yourself, and refreshingly refreshed. I'm sure you guys are also along with us, isn't it? We had fun driving on the Eastern Highway, which is under construction. God willing, we will definitely show you once the construction work is over.
And we'll come here one more time.
And probably Satish is liking this place a lot. So it's evening time. It's like 4:15 by my watch, 4:15 p.m. But because it's a cloudy day, so we are not getting lots of visuals, you know, about nice visuals, nice bright light. So we'll catch you.
അവിടെയോ അല്ല ആ കെട്ടിവെച്ചെടുത്ത ആളുകളോ ഇറ്റ്സ് വെരി നോട്ട് ദാറ്റ് ഡീപ്
Okay, so we were worried that it is very deep. And it's not deep, they are telling, but we didn't venture out in that. So God willing, we'll come once again to this place to have a nice walk, maybe early in the morning where the sun is up, so we can get a nice bright visuals for you all. So apologies because climate is not in our hands. It's all clouded. That's why you're gonna get little dim visuals. But don't worry, the place is beautiful and nice to have a good walk on this path along the canal, man-made canal.
Wind up now?
Yeah, so we'll wind up our today's vlog. Hope you all enjoyed it. You got refreshed seeing the beautiful places, the things that we shoot for you. Do remember to like, share and subscribe our video. Please write to us in the comment section if you are a localite of this place. I don't know the name of this place, I forgot. Kadkamam. Yeah, Kadkamam. Okay, so catch you in the next vlog. Before it rains, we got a rush on our motorcycle. It is staying up over there. We'll catch you in the next video. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.